Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I had somebody email me today. They had lost their arrange flyout. The arrange is gone, and I didn't really have time. I contacted my mentor, Roy Brewer, and he suggested exactly what I'd already suggested to her. On the menu bar, right-click, customize, menu bar, reset to default. Reset default application setting, yes. And the range comes back in working. Now, if you ever have a problem, you can always turn off your computer and shoot, hold down the F8 key as you reboot and it'll put everything back. But also you could, and he even said that, but if you didn't have a range up here, let's go here to the menu bar, customize, menu bar, and go to properties and go to commands and find your arrange button, which is right here. Holding down your Alt key, you can bring it out and hit OK. So if your range isn't here, it's right here, and you could use it in a pinch if you needed to group something. Let's just make sure it works. We'll put these two together. We'll select them, and we'll go. And also, all your controls would still work, like Control G. You don't need this icon to do that. So now we have a group. But she was in desperate need of some help. And then when you're through with it, you could put it up here in your toolbar. And I guess if this was missing, you could actually put it up there. But the easiest thing is just this is your menu bar, and I would just right click, customize menu bar, reset to default. Evidently she took it away somehow, by holding down and just dragging it accidentally. But that's how you would get it back, and that would be the same case for any of these menu items. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.